Grok AI by Elon Musk. Are you still scrolling through endless news feeds, drowning in half-truths, and struggling to separate fact from noise? Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer. It argues, jokes, reasons, and connects directly to the pulse of social media in real time. That's Grok, the bold creation of Elon Musk's company xAI. Unlike most assistants, Grok isn't here to be polite or bland. Its style is witty, sharp, and rebellious, built to challenge, not just agree. The latest model, Grok 4, represents a major leap forward, combining advanced reasoning with native tool use and real-time search integration. And with its full connection to the X platform, Grok can tap directly into tweets, trends, and live discussions, giving answers that are current, unfiltered, and often hilariously direct. But Grok doesn't stop at words. It supports image analysis, editing, and soon video and augmented reality. Inside Tesla vehicles, it becomes your voice-powered co-pilot, handling navigation, media, and real-time driving context. For creators, businesses, and researchers, it delivers adaptive learning, multi-step reasoning, and even business intelligence insights. Of course, it's not perfect. Advanced features like video processing are still in development. Tesla integration depends on hardware requirements. And because Grok leans heavily on internet connectivity, it may stumble in offline settings. It also lacks the vast third-party ecosystem that older AI tools like ChatGPT have built. Still, Grok stands out for one simple reason: it feels alive. From witty social media replies to intelligent market analysis, from editing images to assisting on the road, it blurs the line between assistant and personality. Call to action: if you want AI that's not just smart but bold, connected, and constantly up to date, Grok might be the one you've been waiting for.